How do you turn a vegetable that looks like this into this? Salsify is a fairly unusual one these days, but we're loving its delicate flavour. We're switching it in for potato in our Saag and salsify, based on an Indian sagaloo, and trust us, it's completely delicious. A quick tip, salsify turns brown pretty quickly after peeling, so squeeze a lemon into a bowl of water and stick your peeled, chopped salsify in there. Get your pan hot and sizzle up your onions in ghee or oil until they're lovely and soft. Add cumin seeds, mustard seeds, ginger, garlic and chilli. Salsify has a beautiful subtle taste, a bit like parsnip or artichoke, and it's really going to take on these flavours. Cook for a couple of minutes, then in with some turmeric, tomatoes, your salsify and some water. A bit of salt and pepper and give it a simmer for 20 minutes. Spinach and garam masala finishes it off, and you can add a little bit more salt or lemon depending on how you like it.